Yes, the support that we talked about in the last video is holding. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Saleh and this is a weekly market recap. The key message for this video is that the market is rebounding from key support level and is heading toward all-time high. Actually, the S&P equal weight is already at all-time high and the Russell 2000 is at 3 years high. This is happening despite that Nvidia results fail to impress investors. Okay. And the market is broadening. We have seen more companies participating in the rally. Next week, we have a short week. We have the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday, and Friday is half day. My recommendation is to be in the game. Now to the details. So let's look at last week. So the S&P and Nasdaq has recovered some of the losses that they made the week before. The S&P equal weight is measuring the 500 companies, the performance of the 500 companies inside the S&P on equal weight basis. So each company has an equal weight versus the main index, which is measuring the 500 companies on capital weight. So it's influenced by the mega cap. If the mega cap is doing good, the S&P index will do good. But if you have the larger number of companies doing good, then the S&P equal weight will do better than the S&P. And this is what's happening now. The S&P equal weight has recovered all the losses that it made the week before. And the Russell 2000, the same thing. If you recall, we talked about in the Trump video, I'll post the link as well, that the slogan of "Let's make America great again" is helping these companies to flourish, as well as the interest rate that is coming down in the coming year. So this is also giving some optimism about that the small companies will do great in the coming period. So they recovered all the losses and they are now at 3 years high, heading toward the all-time high. So Nvidia results didn't impress investors, and I have a special video talking about this. I'll post the link at the end of this video as well. So this is the graph of the S&P 500. You can see that on Friday, the market stopped at the key support level, which is the all-time high that we had before, and didn't go below it. Monday, it tried to break it, couldn't. Tuesday, it tried to break it, couldn't. Wednesday, it tried to break it and couldn't, and then rebounded, and then we had a good days in Thursday and Friday. And now we are close to the all-time high. We'll see next week if we can break the 6,000 or not. Let's look at the equal weight. The equal weight is already at all-time high. It broke the previous all-time high. Now on the Fed watch, if you recall last week we talked about the 60-40, 60% chance of reducing interest rate and 40% chance of keeping it the same. Last week we had some inflation report that suggested that the interest rate will stay high. So now we have 50-50%. There are equal chance of reducing interest rate or keeping them the same. We'll see how this developed until the meeting that is happening on 18th of December. Next is what's happening in the next week. So next week we have a short week. We have the Thanksgiving holiday. So Thursday is off, and Friday we have half day. Normally the trades are like very much muted on Friday because everyone is a holiday, the seller and the buyers. So normally nothing is happening, but we have to watch for Wednesday because we have 3 important data: the GDP, the initial jobless claim, and the core PCE. They are coming out Wednesday morning, and they will affect the market on Wednesday. And also on Wednesday, this will be the close of the day, the week, and the month. We have noticed before that when this happened, then some of the traders would like to turn their book profit to actual profit, and they start fresh in December. It doesn't happen every week and every month closure. So this Friday, for example, we didn't see it because there is optimism about next week. But we have to be careful. We have to plan for it. Okay, so just take care of what's going to happen on Wednesday, especially that the day is very volatile with the results that are coming that day. My trading strategies are first the all-time high. So any stock that reach all-time high or 52 weeks high, I buy it. And also I'm buying the stocks that had good results during the previous period. They should continue with the trend going up. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please press like, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And if you have any question or any request for a specific video, then post it in the comments and I will be happily answering them. Thank you very much.